Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. First we coloring the shape of star. The next one is pentagon, square, triangle, circle, and the last one is trapezoid. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we coloring the shape of star, and now we using and mixing the color of blue. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we mixing and using the color of blue. And now we coloring the shape of star. The next one is pentagon. Kids, now we are using the color of green. Now we are mixing and using green color. Kids, the next one is square. Now we're using the color of yellow. Now we're mixing and using the color of yellow. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is triangle. The shape of triangle. We are again using yellow color. The next one is circle, the shape of circle. Kids, now we're using the color of black. The last one is trapezoid. Now we are using the color of red. Red color. Now we're mixing and using the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.